GoPro just released a new model of its Hero series, which is supposed to offer burst slow-mo, 3 new lenses, and 40% quicker transfer speeds. But it's also going for $400 when the last few generations are going for much lower. Before you go headfirst into the new edition, consider GoPro's Hero 12 and Hero 11. We're testing both of these GoPros to find out which one is the best for you. Is the Hero 12 really that much better than the 11? Hi, I'm Emily from Best Reviews. Let's take a look at these action cameras to find the best one for your next adventure. If you like content like this, the best way to support us is to give us a like, hit the notification bell, and subscribe so you never miss a video from us. And if you're ready to learn more about the cameras that we discussed today, check out the links in the comments. Our testing lab puts each product through a rigorous testing process designed to evaluate the product's effectiveness, durability, and whether it does what the manufacturer claims. Our promise to you is that we'll only recommend the products that meet our high standards. Both GoPros were easy to set up. It's pretty intuitive. The compatible app can help you set it up too. The Hero 11 and Hero 12 mostly differ in their camera quality. The Hero 11 offers 5.3K and 60 frames per second, and it looks great. But the Hero 12 offers fully HDR recording. The 11 only has HDR for still photos. The Hero 11 and the Hero 12 both can go up to 33 feet underwater and still produce good quality video. Of course, both take a minute to transition if you're coming out of the water, so the audio will need to catch up. GoPros take a lot of battery, but both offer several hours before needing a charge. A good comparison here is looking at the percentages, and the Hero 12 wins out. When you're at 70% battery on the Hero 11, you have only 7 hours of battery left. On the Hero 12, though, when you're at 80% battery, you still have 10 plus hours of battery left. What do you think of the GoPros? Are you going to go with one of the older generations or hold out for the Hero 13? Once again, I'm Emily from Best Reviews. Let us know what you think in the comments.